Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chana and I went to Primark the other day, so I really wanted to do a haul on the things that I got. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. The bag is actually massive. Like, I bought one of these like plastic bags just because I think the quality of the paper bags from Primark is not too good actually. So yeah, I ended up picking a plastic one because I do have a plastic one from Primark already, and it's like this simple basic white plastic with their like blue Primark logo on it. And so yeah, I thought of buying another one, but they didn't have these anymore, so I got this bag right here, and it has like a dog on it. It just says like Primark somewhere there, right there. And it's like, it's cute but not so cute. So yeah. The first thing, I actually picked this up. This was actually the first thing that I saw when I went to Primark. And it's this jacket right here. And it's like the softest thing ever, inside and outside. And I just love it so much. It's super cute, and it has like this denim jacket optic, but it's obviously not denim. And it's super cute, and I don't have a jacket in that color yet. And I just love it so much, you guys. They have several different colors, and even like a burgundy red one. I didn't see when I picked this one. I saw it after I went to the like checkout. And I was like, shall I get this one as well or not? So yeah, well, I didn't. I only picked this one up, and it was at €30. The next thing I got is a jumper, and you guys know that I love Harry Potter and I'm obviously Slytherin. So yeah, I got this like jumper. Is it a jumper? Or like with a hoodie kind of? Well, it just says Slytherin on it, and it has like the Slytherin logo on it as well. And this label is so cute. It says property of Hogwarts School, so it's pretty cute, and the material is super soft as well. This one, it cost me €14. Next I picked a mom jeans because I just needed some, because school starts in like not even 2 weeks, I think 1 week and a half, something like that. So yeah, I picked this mom jeans up. It's a ripped one, which is pretty cute. So yeah. Then I got another jumper, and this is pretty cute as well. It's super soft, the material is incredible. It's like this mustardy color, and I really hope that the fabric doesn't change while like washing it or anything. Oh, and it did cost me €16. Oh, the jeans, like the mom jeans by the way, was at €19. Forgot to say that. Then I got another jumper, and it's mustardy as well, but this one goes like over the bum, and it's super cute. Even though I don't like the detail on the like wrist kind of, and yeah, I don't like it, but the color is sweet, fabric is amazing, and I love the fit of it because I can imagine wearing this with like legging or like tights or something. So this was at €13. Next I got a Friends jumper. It's the cutest thing ever. It's just a basic black jumper and it's so sweet. It cost me €10. Then I picked another mom jean, and this is so different to the ones that I own because it's like striped and it's so sweet. You guys, I really love it. It's super sweet. I'm going to try everything on, of course. This, it cost €19 as well. Next thing I pick is actually pretty disappointing, and it's this cute bag, and I know it does look like Gucci kind of, and it's super sweet. I've seen it on so many YouTube channels and it's super sweet. I really wanted it, and the size of it is just perfect. I think the material looks good, and this red is like a bright red, so I really love it. But like, what's that? Like, you can't even like cross over. Shall I show you what it looks like? Because it looks like this, honestly. Like, what? Who would wear it like that? And I'm not the person who wears like this tiny bag like this. I did wear bags like this when I was like 12 or something. And I'm 24 and I'm not willing to wear it like that, which is so super sad. Maybe I'm just going to like change this. Then I got another red bag because one isn't enough. Oh, the one Gucci like was at €8, and this one was at €10, and this one's so sweet as well to carry around like this. And yeah, it's just super sweet. Next I got a red head. A red head. Well, I can't wear it right now because like, if you watch my videos, then you know I had the brain surgery in June, and I do wear headbands because I'm not completely like happy with how my hair looks after the surgery. But I tried to put it on and I just don't really dare to put it like really down here because like of my scars I do have here. I'm so like careful when it's about scars and pretty scared to like touch it or whatever, so yeah, I'm not going to try this one out yet, but it's super cute. It did cost me €5. Next I got two bells. Both of them were for €4 and they are super cute. Got this like golden one with a heart on it, and then this like silver one with the fake Gucci symbol on it as well. I did look for this for ages, you guys. Literally, it was always like sold out, but they did refill it, so finally got it. The next thing is so cute, you guys. Like, it's literally my favorite thing out of this whole haul, and I nearly didn't buy it because it was at €12, and there was like a makeup palette for €12 from Primark. Like, okay, of course a makeup palette for €12 is amazing, but from Primark, I don't really know, you guys. But first of all, it's from Alice in Wonderland, and I love Alice. It's super cute. And when I swatched one color out of the eyeshadow palettes, I was just so obsessed. I need to get my hands on it. So yeah, I ended up getting this baby right here, and it's super cute. Like, it opens like this, and then you have like a mirror on top. You have these amazing like eyeshadow shades, and then you open this baby right here. You got 2 lip glosses in it and like 4 highlighters. I think these are actually blushes because they're a little too dark for highlighters. I don't know, maybe they work. I haven't swatched the highlighters yet, but it's so cute. I highly recommend, if you go to Primark, then go swatch these because you're going to be obsessed just like I was. Next I got just some bobby bands for $1.50, which is a pure bargain. So then I got a hairband again, because yeah, as I said, I do wear hairbands pretty often lately. So this was at €3 and it's pretty cute. I cannot wait to like open this and like try it out on my head. I do love black and red lately, it's my thing, I don't know. Then I got a candle and I didn't have this one yet. It's called Iced Lemonade and it literally smells like lemons and it's so fresh and perfect for summer, even though I want summer to finally end because I'm not a summer person. Then I got some jewelry I'm going to show you. And I got some more hairbands, and these are actually so retro and like vintage and so cute. I got another candle and I do have these already in my room. These are the Madagascar vanilla and the scent of it is just like incredible. I love it. These candles are at €1 and I think it's such a good price because I do pay so much for Yankee candles, and I think the scent of these are such good as the Yankee candle ones. Of course not that good, but almost. Then I got some GWA London Gods with Attitude Fantasy Princess eyelashes for $3.50. They are amazing. I did have these like months ago and I did use them in like almost every video I posted on my YouTube channel, and they do look like pretty dirty now and I can't like properly clean them anymore, so I did get another pair of these. They are so cute. The last thing I picked was for €4 and it's this keychain from Harry Potter, of course, what else? And it's a Slytherin themed keychain and it's super cute, I love it. Okay guys, so that's it for my Primark haul. I did spend €200 there, which is insane because I haven't spent that much money there for ages literally, because I'm an autumn person and like I don't really like summer at all and I don't like go shopping at summertime. Of course I have to, but I don't really enjoy it as much as I do during the like autumn time. It's not autumn yet, I know that, but it's knocking our door and I cannot wait for it, you guys. Okay, so let me know what you guys like the most about this haul, and if you want to see more of these kind of videos, let me know as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already, and give this video a cute little thumbs up. That would make me so happy. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!